Okay, now we're going back to one of my favorite things to do in the world, drag people's arms, okay? Arm drag from inside bicep. I have inside bicep here, and then somehow he goes to inside bicep, okay? I allow this, I don't mind, because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come in and counter his inside bicep with an arm drag, okay? So I start an inside bicep, whatever arm he goes for inside, which he's going to do, I go, cool, I switch. He thinks I'm just going to inside bicep, but what I do is I knock this hand off of my tricep. I catch the hand if I can. If I can't, I just redirect it out of the way. I catch it, this other arm comes deep underneath his tricep here, really underneath his armpit. I push this down. The reason I push this down is if I have it here and I pull, that angle's soft. It's gonna slide right off. I push it down so when I pull, he goes with me. So I'm not only just pulling, I'm dragging him down like a lion on a gazelle, okay? You're a gazelle. So inside bicep, he goes on the inside, I go, cool, I go push this down. I drag him and I circle around, I grab his hip again, move behind him. Once again, I'm in this position where most likely, if he's basing out wide, I just drag his leg out. If he is leaning like it's not, I feel like I can't do that, I lift this, go to gable grip, drive his legs again, keep breaking him down, keep pressure on top of him until he crumbles like origami. Show the other side. Right here, he goes inside, I go inside, I sweep to the back, take this, I'm dragging, cool, kick that out of the way. One more time. Nice. Practice.